Hello, let me show you how you can transfer data between your POCO X7 Pro and your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So first of all, on your POCO, you have to start by opening settings and you have to enable OTG connection. So go to additional settings and tap right here on OTG. Now, you will have to just simply connect cable into your phone, just like this. And then the second end of the cable, for sure, you will have to connect into your PC. So we can use double USB-C cable or USB-C to USB-A. It doesn't actually matter, that's your choice. And now as you can see, we can find our phone right here. So we have to open the PC on your phone, click on POCO X7 Pro with the left mouse button. And now we should actually be able to transfer some data. Currently the folder is empty, so we can also search right here on the notification panel to switch from charging to transfer photos or basically file transfer. Let's set to the file transfer. And now we have to enter for our PC one more time, or if you have this automatic play, just open device to view in the file explorer. Now just wait for the loading. And it looks like that we are now successfully connected. So we can open this internal shared storage. And as you can see, here we are. You can find now everything that you have on your POCO. If I'm gonna open DCIM, I should probably get into camera. There we go. So I can select wherever I have in my camera, like some videos and the photos. And if I want to transfer them to my PC, I have to select them, click on the right mouse button, just click. As you can see, my PC is lagging a little bit, but you know what to do. Just click on this right mouse button, and instead of the opening this, you can just simply select them. I hope that right now it will work. There we go. And now we can cut them off your phone or simply copy. And I'm gonna go to the desktop and I'm gonna simply pass them into my desktop. There we go. And after a few seconds, I've got these videos and photos on my screen. But if I want to move something from my PC, I have to just do the same. So basically I have to select wherever I want, and then I have to put it into my phone, all right? So if I wanted this photo, I have to drag this into the destination folder. And that's basically it. Please leave a like and subscribe.